All right, everyone, welcome back to another segment of Come Fly With Us, inside information about insurance. And we're back again with Cody Gladney. And Cody, we've got another question that's come up. This came up recently with me, and one of my clients called me and said, hey, I just bought 2 jet skis. Does my home policy cover the jet skis? And so we need to find out what the answer to that question is.
The answer to that question is no. So there is a portion on your homeowner's policy, most homeowners policies, that will cover watercraft under 50 horsepower for liability only, and sailing vessels under 26 feet in length.
Okay.
For just the liability. But physical damage, or if you have a boat that has more than those type of things, they really need to have their own policy.
Their own standalone policy. And is there a size limit on the boat? I know you said for the
it's more a horsepower.
It's a horsepower. Okay. Gotcha. So the answer to that question, and we've actually gotten back with my client and told him that. So we've got the jet skis on a separate policy. But I mean, that's an interesting question, and a lot of people don't realize that that really doesn't work. You think, well, it's my personal property, but
it's tricky because it does say, you have a home policy that has personal liability. Right. You'd think it would extend to some of those type of devices or toys, but typically those things are excluded.
Yeah, so there are a lot of toys out there that people have. I mean, you've got ATVs, you've got motorcycles, both dirt bike and street legal, and then you've got the razors that are out there that people go mudding all the time. I mean, you see on the weekends these guys are out there mudding all the time. Like, oh my gosh, what a mess! It's got to be fun, or they wouldn't be doing it. I guess I don't know. But yeah, and then so there's all types of different recreational vehicles that we can write policies on, aside from boats, and we've got RVs and trailers and things like that, camping things. So reach out to us if you find yourself in the market to purchase one of those items, and we'll quote you. And for the most part, those policies for those items are not very expensive for the year, right? Mm-hmm. So it's pretty reasonable, and you don't want to get caught without a policy to cover not only the liability, but the physical damage to the
damage or theft
that you do to your watercraft or someone else's watercraft.
Yeah,
so that's the thing. All right, guys. So there's the answer to this week's question. Feel free to share this video with your friends and family if you need any help with any of your personal watercraft, boats, ATVs, any kind of toys like that. Reach out to us 469-585-6012. Love to help you out and get you on the way to having a great, safe summer, and one that has you protected properly, right?
That's right.
That's right. All right, we'll see you next week. Thanks a lot.